Hello bladers! The hardship of living in a tropical country is maintaining your vehicle, especially the exterior part. Factor in rain and sun rays that could harm your part coating. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are tips on how to remove oxidation signs from your car paint. Number 1. Remove oxidation spots by hand polishing. Depending on the level and degree of oxidation, you can polish and remove the oxidation by hand and do it manually. This is often the best solution and the most practical thing to do if the condition of your car paint is not too terrible, and it isn't that big of a deal, because it allows you to control the work progress and to protect your car's paint most effectively. A good quantity of polish on a clean piece of lint-free cloth can do wonders. Use the strength of your elbow to wipe out the scratches on the paint, then scrub until it becomes shiny. It all takes full effort. Number 2. Use the orbital polisher to wipe out oxidation. For this step it is necessary and a must to use polishing pads such as microfiber pads to properly wipe out the oxidation on the body of the vehicle. This device works like a grinding machine, yet it only creates a circular motion and does not generate heat. Therefore, just support the machine when it is in motion. You must polish it at least 2 times. Number 3. Renew your car paint with a circular polisher. The circular polisher, also known by car guys as the rotary polisher, has a main purpose of helping to polish the car paint in a straight line motion at very fast speed. Same as if you use an orbital polisher, you will need to buy compatible polishing pads suitable for each step of the waxing and polishing process. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas you had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.